Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. You can call me Richman. In fact, guys, just to give you this update about Chelsea transfers, Chelsea about to sign Xavi Simons, what is now happening, and also Chelsea about to sign Hato from Ajax, what is now happening about those transfers, and also some teams came for Ryan Sterling and Keenan Drosborough Hall, and latest information for Morgan Rogers, Chelsea interested to sign, and also Alejandro Garnacho, and many more transfer news in this video. So please watch this video till the end. And before we move on, please don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more football fans on the YouTube algorithm. Let's start with Xavi Simons. Guys, what is now happening about Xavi Simons coming to Chelsea? This is the information, guys. Chelsea and RB Leipzig continue direct club-to-club talks for Xavi Simons deal. RB Leipzig, aware of Xavi being keen on move and tempted by Chelsea, Bayern have made calls to be informed this week, but CFC clear favorite already in talks with player green light. So guys, that is the information for Xavi Simons. Let me summarize it. For now and for currently, Chelsea and RB Leipzig, they are having talks about the wages, the contract length, and about the fee. Yes, and the amortization. Be it Chelsea is going to pay the 60 million or 55 million or 45 million, and the number of years Chelsea is going to use to pay the money. That is what, or these are the things Chelsea and RB Leipzig are currently discussing. Yes, the fee and the amortization, and also his contract length, and also the wages. Yes, the salary and the wages this young talented Xavi Simons will come to Chelsea and take. So currently, guys, these are the deals, or these are the things Chelsea and RB Leipzig are currently discussing about Simons transfer to Chelsea, Simons coming to Chelsea. That is why it is looking like things are quiet. No, things are not quiet. They want to come into consensus. You know, UEFA, yes, they have agenda against Chelsea. So if our owners don't take their time and do things well, yes, after each transfer, when the season ends or if the season begins, UEFA will go and check each transfer that happened in world football to see if everything worked well, or you didn't inflate any price, or you didn't do any fraud or scam there. No. So they have to take their time and work it out. But the promise or the happiest part is that Xavi want to come to Chelsea. Xavi Simons want to come to Chelsea. He want to wear the Club World Cup logo next season. Yes. You see that logo? Chelsea, we are going to be the first club to wear it and the last club to wear it. The next Club World Cup will not be Club World Cup again. It will be Intercontinental Club World Cup. No. Club World Cup will not be there. It will be Intercontinental Tournament. Intercontinental Tournament. So we are going to be the first club to become the best club in the world. And also, we are going to be the last club. Club hands for Chelsea. Myself. Chelsea. Yes. So Xavi Simons said, okay, because the way Chelsea ended the season very well, Chelsea made top 4, in which the world was saying that Chelsea will not make top 4. Okay, Chelsea win the UEFA Conference League, and Chelsea became the best club in the world by winning, yes, the FIFA Club Trophy, beating the overhyped, the underrated PSG. So for that matter, that means Chelsea project is good. Chelsea is a nice club. Chelsea is a winnable club. Chelsea is European trophies club. For that matter, I want to join Chelsea. That is what Xavi Simons said. Xavi Simons said, I should tell you that he want to join Chelsea. He want to come to Chelsea. So guys, no problem about his deal coming to Chelsea. It hasn't stopped. Yes, they are still doing the talks and they're discussing, yes, to fix everything well. So guys, for Xavi Simons, that is his transfer. Let me hear from you under the comment section about this signing. And let's come to Jorrel Hato. The center back Chelsea is about to sign from Ajax. Yes. But before I go there, guys, please just remind you again, the jerseys are still available. Yes, Chelsea, our home jersey is there. The away jersey is there. Any jersey, even outside Chelsea, Barcelona, this season, any jersey, Manchester United, yes, the 15 people, Spurs, any jersey that you want, guys, As you are watching on the screen, the number is on the jersey on the screen, and each price for each jersey is 130 Ghana cedi. Yes, 130. So please, if you want one, or if you want two, or if you want three, or if you want any number of those jerseys, yes, you can contact me through the WhatsApp number as you are seeing on the screen, or you can even give me a text. Yes, please buy from us to help us support this channel, so that in the future we can upgrade things, the microphone, yes, our editing software, yes, our computers, we can upgrade, so that to keep this channel alive. So please buy from us. Yes, so if you want any JC, yes, you can give me a text on the number or WhatsApp number you are watching on the screen. Thank you in advance. Let's come to Jorrel Hato. Jorrel Hato coming to Chelsea. Yes, the 19 years Jorrel Hato, who is better than Maguire. Yes, this is the information, guys. Chelsea have reached agreement on personal terms with Jorrel Hato, and the defender has asked Ajax to leave. Negotiations advancing to final stage, as fee discussed now is around 40 million. Hato informed Ajax management and the manager of his clear desire to join Chelsea. Chelsea value Ajax defender Jorrel Hato at around 40 million or 35 million. Benchmark is the 34 million. Plus 4.5 million euros. Arsenal pay Ajax for Jorrel Timber. Yes, so they are using the amount of money Arsenal pay for Timber as a benchmark for this transfer. So guys, this is the summarized part of Hato coming to Chelsea. This is it. For personal terms, Hato himself, as a person, as a talented player who is better than all Manchester United defenders combined, Hato want to come to Chelsea. He agreed to come to Chelsea, and even Hato won't come to the wages and the length of the contract. He already agreed on everything. Now he left with Chelsea and Ajax to agree on the fee. Chelsea want to pay 40 million or 35 million. Yes, 40 million euros or 35 million pounds. But Ajax want 50 million or 55 million for their defender. Ajax want 55 million or 50 million for their defender, and Chelsea value him as 40 million player or 35 million player. Yes, how many differences? 5 million differences. So that is holding the deal. It isn't that the deal has stopped, or it isn't that Hato rejected Chelsea. No. As this season, everybody is rejecting Manchester United. Victor Gyökeres rejected Manchester United. Aston Villa goalkeeper, he rejected Manchester United. Sesko, he rejected Manchester United. I, sitting here, Richmond, I rejected them. Even top 10, not even top 10, top 13, top 14 in the Premier League last season or this season rejected them. So Chelsea, we are not rejected FC. We are Chelsea. Hato agreed, and Hato said, I will join you, Chelsea. I will come. But now, Ajax and Chelsea are discussing about the fee. Yes, as I said, 35 million, 40 million, 55 million, 50 million, 5 million different. So at the end of the day, let's wait and see. Maybe by the weekends or this weekends, maybe yes, they can come into agreement. Chelsea want to get this deal happen, yes, before even August. So let's see. Today's day, as we are shooting this video, is 24th. So I'm seeing at least 28th, at least, or 27th to 28th. Chelsea will get all these deals done. Yes. So guys, for Hato coming to Chelsea, that is the update. That is the latest transfer for Hato. Nothing stop. Yes, everything is advancing well. For nowadays, modern transfer window is all about the personal terms. If the player want to come, he will come. So guys, that is for Hato. Yes, let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought about Hato coming to Chelsea. Do you like this signing, and do you think he can come and do the work for us? Yes, let me hear from you under the comment section. And let's come to Keenan Hall and Raheem Sterling. Yes, transfers. But before we go there, guys, please just remind you again, hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm. These are the information about these two players, Raheem Sterling and Keenan Hall. Fulham interested to sign them, guys. Fulham are interested in both Raheem Sterling and Keenan Hall, but Chelsea willing to wait it out a bit because there is other interest in both players, and Fulham currently only offering loan deals for them. That is bad for loans here. No. And for Sterling, we have to understand, because of the wages, Fulham cannot pay him. Currently, Sterling is earning highest wages in Chelsea, £350,000 a week. So I don't think even United, they are not more paying that. United were a team in the Premier League. when you want to be rich as a footballer, go to United. But currently they said they won't pay anybody higher wages. So for Sterling, I understand, so that the wages, they will split the wages between Chelsea and Fulham. But we have to sell Sterling, yes, in order to balance our books very well. Yes, we have to sell him. So even if Sterling will reduce his wages, he should reduce, yes, to leave Chelsea. If not, that it will be difficult. And Keenan Drosborough, guys, no. For Keenan, see, he is not going anywhere. Even if Arsenal brings 70 million or 80 million or 100 million, Keenan is not going anywhere, because Arsenal, they always take our chops. But in this circumstance, Fulham want to sign him, even on loan. On loan. No. We are not even selling him permanent. We want to talk of loan. By the way, guys, let me hear from you under the comment section about Keenan and Ryan Sterling. Yes, and I haven't heard Chelsea offer Sterling to Napoli. So Napoli is also weighing up to see if they can get or sign Ryan Sterling. And Keenan Drosborough to Fulham. And for Keenan also, another team came, yes, this week. West Ham came for him. But I think the offer they are coming with is not good. It's not attractive. So guys, that is the latest information for Keenan Drosborough and Ryan Sterling. Let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought about this. And let's come to Morgan Rogers, Aston Villa, Morgan Rogers, Chelsea interested to sign, and Alejandro Garnacho. These are the informations, guys. Chelsea dream signing remains Morgan Rogers. The interest remains, but the problem is Aston Villa are refusing any approach for Rogers. And if they were to sell, they will ask for a crazy price. And this is for Garnacho. Alejandro Garnacho won Premier League move, and Chelsea remain again attentive to the situation. No club-to-club talks, but still one of the names on the shortlist. Priority remain to advance on Xavi Simons at this stage. So guys, currently, Chelsea still want to bring a winger. Even after Chelsea, or even if Chelsea signs Xavi Simons, Chelsea will still go and bring a winger. For that matter, Morgan Rogers' name is being there listed, and Garnacho. Yes, Morgan Rogers and Garnacho. And for Rogers, Aston Villa is the issue. The fee they are asking for, Chelsea is not willing to pay it. That 80 million, Chelsea will not pay it. Or maybe they were also asking for a swap deal. Yes, between Morgan Rogers and Nicola Jackson. So let's see. But the fee in particular, Chelsea will not pay it. So that is holding Morgan Rogers deal. Morgan Rogers coming to Chelsea. The fee is too high for Chelsea. Yes, willingness to pay. And for Garnacho, Chelsea is still monitoring, yes, about his contract. And as we are even speaking now, United listed him on those players they are selling this season or this summer. So for Garnacho, Chelsea is showing interest, already show interest, even since January transfer window. But they are monitoring his contract situation, yes, the fee and his wages, yes. And even as people are saying that, some fans are saying that Garnacho had some attitude problems. So Chelsea is weighing on all these aspects, yes, the wages, the fee, and the attitude, because those kind of attitudes sometimes it can cause troubles in the dressing room. So guys, these are the latest for Morgan Rogers transfer and Alejandro Garnacho. Let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought, and if any update come, yes, about Chelsea transfers, yes, I will let you know. So please stay on Football Lions and tell another football fan about this channel, Football Lions. And don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm. Take care, peace.